Hey diamonds and gems, it's your girl Sadia. If you like this look, you better stay tuned. Okay, y'all. Now I want to start with my brows. Now I already know, since I have dramatically changed my hair color, that I do not want to incorporate too much color in my face, but just enough to give this look a pop. So I'm starting out with my Anastasia brow dip in chocolate. And I'm just kind of giving myself the shape of my brow because I do know that I want to add a little bit of this color to my brows. Now again, I'm just shaping my brows so I can come back and add some of that blue hair wax, the same that I have in my hair. Now I'm using this angle brush just to kind of distribute the color throughout my brow. And later you'll see me use a little brow comb to actually evenly push that color all through my brow. Using that comb to just kind of evenly distribute that color throughout my brow. And I feel like that blue gave it a little bit of oomph. Whatever oomph means, but you know what I mean. You feel that. So this hair wax I purchased from Amazon. And God, I need to see how much it was. I guess I'll put that in the description bar too. But I want to say maybe it was like $12, $12.99. And it's supposed to wash off. I don't know if it'll stain my blonde hair. Well, you know what? I'm not going to even talk about my hair now. That's a whole different video. So here I go, pulling out that Old Faithful Too Faced concealer in the color Butterscotch. I absolutely love. Now let's talk about this brush that I just showed you. You guys, I went to Five Below and I found this brush, and I think it was maybe $3. And I thought it would be a good concealer brush, and you see the way it edges around my brow line. It's absolutely perfect. I probably need to go back and get some more to add to my kit. So since I know that I'm not going to really put any eyeshadow on because I don't want to do too much color, since my hair is so bright, I wanted to just put the concealer under my brow to kind of make my brows look freshly arched. And then I just kind of use my finger to bring that concealer down, just to have a nice blend with my lid. So I'm just using this gel liner. And this is an angle brush, another angle brush that I purchased from Five Below. But I will say I did not like this angle brush to do the eyeliner because it was not as fine as I needed it on the tip. So I ended up doing my eyeliner and touching it up with one of my old angle brushes just to make sure that line was sharp. Here's some lashes I purchased from Walgreens. Some lash duo, and it's supposed to be a quick set. Watch me as I fumble. Now with this, it kind of looks like an iridescent color. It's like, it's white, but you can kind of see like a pinkish blue in it, but it dries pretty quick. I actually like it. So now we are moving on to the face, and I'm doing a skin prep. And what you see me spray on my face is Milani's Make It Last. You can use it as a primer or a setting spray. And I am moisturizing my face using the e.l.f. moisturizer. And what you see me doing now is priming my face with Becca, and it's a mattifier. It keeps me from getting oily in my T-zone. This next primer is by e.l.f. and it is the Poreless Putty. And this helps if you have enlarged pores or fine lines and wrinkles. Once you put this primer on, you want to kind of let it set for a minute so it'll settle, and then you move on to adding your foundation. We back with Old Faithful here, and that's that backup primer. No, I said backup primer. That's a lie. We back with Born This Way concealer. I almost didn't get that out. So I'm just kind of putting that on the points of my face where I'm going to highlight. Y'all, I'm barely making it. I never think to buy another concealer until I'm using this concealer and realize it's all gone. Well, almost all gone. So you see my foundation stick. That is Cole Cosmetics, my brand, that I'm using, and I'm blending that also with the concealer. If I was not rushing, you guys, I would have contour with the Cole Cosmetics dark coffee and blended it all in at the same time. But I am pounding my face. I am beating my face up so I can get out this house and look decent. Because I did not want to go out with my hair twisted. Look, that small brush wasn't cutting it. I had to get a bigger brush. So yeah, just trying to get this face together quickly so I can go out the house looking decent. This brush, I actually like it. It's one of my newer foundation brushes. I purchased this from Sephora. They had a sale when I purchased this where you got buy one and I think get one. And this is probably right now legit my favorite foundation brush. And it's actually tapered on the end. I'm just blending. Beating and blending. Now, I have talked to an esthetician and I was told that around my jawline that I am having hormonal acne. So I went and bought me a bunch of skincare products, and I'll probably be doing a video on that soon. So I do have a little hyperpigmentation in my jawline, as well as you can see the texture of my skin is a little bumpy there. And I don't think these masks are helping it at all. Bit of that hyperpigmentation, and the texture of my skin is definitely off right there. So this is a yellow setting powder that I'm using under my eyes and on the places that I have added highlight, because I wanted to make sure that I am having no darkness underneath my eyes. I wanted it nice and bright. Again, just focusing that yellow powder, and this is similar to the banana powder, but I actually like this. I guess it's its own banana powder, but it's called flower. I'm looking at time, y'all. I'm pressed. So those were Black Radiance contour palette. The one that I ended up using is the one that is light to medium, and I also have the medium to dark. I have such a round face, so I have to kind of, give myself a little bit of definition. So you'll see me smiling weirdly to see at what point I need to contour. I keep watching that clock, y'all. I gotta get out of here. Forehead, so I won't have a 5 head, that I may just have a 3 head, but I like my head. I think it gives me character. So with that same contour color, I am going in the crease of my eye and bringing that down to my nose. Because again, I'm not really adding color to my eyes. My brows are enough in this blue hair. So next you see me using this Milani blush. It's the baked blush that I absolutely love. It's pink color. I have to smile to see exactly where my apple of my cheeks are. I want to top this off with a Pat McGraw highlighter palette. And this highlighter, it has a little bit of a pink tone to it. Now I did get a little nervous because I felt like, should I had not did that pink, because I didn't want to overdo it with color. But I think in the end that it all blended together perfect. And that's just my foundation brush, and I'm just kind of bringing together the blush, the contour, and the highlight. Finishing up with that Milani setting spray. And bam! There go that hair. Y'all make sure y'all be ready to watch the video on how I did this hair. It's a little messy. I hope you all like this video. Make sure if you have not already subscribed that you subscribe to this channel, like this video. And I'm out, y'all. Thanks for watching.